so now this is for you, Arjun. What do girls mean when they say the following or expect? Okay?
The truth.
Yeah, the truth.
Okay.
When they say this, but what's the actual meaning? Okay? Does this make me look fat? You can counter question or answer, whatever.
You better compliment me right now.
I would want to know honestly if anything is making me look fat, because I would not want to step out looking like feeling, you know, like
fat is. He wouldn't say like you're looking bad. It's just like.
Or
fat
like
I like कि मैंने सवाल का जवाब दे दिया पर ये discussion चल रही है.
हाँ, because she wanted to, ना? She wanted.
But I like my point of
She
view
has a
is
different point of view.
that okay, even if I'm told that, you know, wear something different, you know, and without being told that, then I would want to know.
Be honest without.
I would want to know.
Without being rude.
Yeah.
Okay. We need to talk.
Oh no! Oh no! What
Love
have I
guy.
done?
Love
That's
guy.
like, yeah, fully
आज का पूरा
in
दिन
trouble, full
cancel
trouble.
all your plans. दिन खाली रखो.
Take flowers and go,
नहीं,
please.
just take
Already.
flowers because just take anything you can to make her happy because आज का दिन तो गया. Just chalk this day off your calendar and go. Done.
Yeah.
I'm almost ready.
मैं जरा दूसरी पिक्चर की शूटिंग खत्म करके आ सकता हूँ. I can.
Yeah.
I can go
Almost ready could mean anywhere between 20 minutes to 45 more minutes.
If it's during lunch, you can have dinner and come back. She says,
I need space.
गई भैंस पानी में.
No. I think it would mean
she
that
really wants to talk and solve everything.
I think that's when like there should be the guy should give more attention and then go over to her
that would
house.
mean that okay, give her space for an hour or two, but eventually you need to man up. Yeah, give it an hour or two. Maybe she actually needs space, but try and judge that and then figure it out. And if she really is upset about something and she's not coming around, then the onus
But
is on
then
you.
when you show up when the guy shows up at the house and she still says, no, I do need
then
space.
maybe you
then
made a
she-
mistake. Yeah.
then give her the space.
But
So complicated.
no,
with one line,
no, but it's worth taking a chance. You see,
It's worth taking a chance.
Supposing
I
she
agree.
says it at 12 o'clock, you give it an hour or two, and
Yeah.
you see if she's messaged or she's
Yeah.
called or then you realize okay, maybe if she sent you a message enough to know that okay, I need to take the first step, then you
Yeah.
go take the first step. उधर जाने के बाद बोलते नहीं I genuinely need space.
Then
you understand.
Then you understand.
So
I agree.
It's a layer पे layer.
Yeah. Because sometimes a girl can just say it being angry.
Exactly. Huh.
I need
Or
But
maybe,
you don't mean it.
or maybe they are
Yeah.
in the car and she says I need space. Then that is a different thing altogether. है ना लॉजिक तो उसमें भी. मेरे साथ तो बहुत हुआ मेरे साइज की वजह से आई नीड स्पेस बहुत यूज हुआ बट फॉर प्रैक्टिकल रीजंस.
Do whatever you want to do.
You better do what I'm telling you to do.
तू बेटा कुछ मत
If
कर.
you do not do what I'm
Don't
telling you
even
to do, you
breathe
had
without her permission. Just
Yeah.
stop breathing till she doesn't say exhale.
You
Don't
better
exhale.
ask me. You better make sure that you do only what I want you to do.
Just your life is not yours anymore.
Do you think she's cute if your girlfriend tells you and asks you?
Please say no.
Yeah.
I think if a girl,
If she says she's cute, na,
yeah,
then it's fine.
Correct.
But
correct.
if she asks
correct.
you, is she cute? If her impulse is a good-looking girl, yeah, then you can say yeah, she's nice.
Because she must be fully testing the guy that you know.
There's a way in which she puts
is
it on.
he
Or
is
she
he like
noticed that you
checking
looked at
other
the girl
girls
or
out?
something, so she's asked.
Yeah.
But
is he checking other girls out or no? So I would say just
But
say no.
if she's ended up seeing somebody and says, hey, nice looking girl, then you can go with the flow. But if she's noticed you and says, you find her cute, then you're supposed to say, nahi. कौन मैं तो वेटर को बुला.
And last, I don't feel like eating. If your girlfriend says just she comes up to you and you plan like dinner or you're meeting up for dinner and she's like I don't feel like
फ्रिज
eating.
में रख देता हूँ जब गरम करके खाना चाहता
ओह इतना बोलते हो ऐसे बोल दोगे?
But वो बोल रही है I don't feel like eating बहुत normal
she
चीज है.
mustn't be hungry, you know.
No girl ever says I don't feel like eating when she's starving.
No, what if
No
her
human
mood
being
is
says
off?
that.
हाँ.
Acha, you're saying what if
Yeah,
her mood is off?
Mood is off. You never
If
know
her
ना.
mood is off,
Even then
Then-
खाना अंदर रख दो जब भूख लगेगी तब खिला देंगे.
then
खाने में no compromise.
अरे मूड खराब है तो थोड़ी ना बोलो.
Then I would,
खा ले.
then if her mood is off and then if she says I don't feel like eating, then I would say that the guy should feed her. Say,
Yeah, but now she'll throw the
baby,
plate on your
please
face.
eat. No, baby, please eat. No, baby, please. For me, for
थोड़ा
me.
प्रैक्टिकल हो जाओ.
That'll be.
थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल हो जाए लाइफ में. अगर गर्लफ्रेंड बोल रही है कि मुझे भूख नहीं है तो पहले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो फिर खाना खिलाओ. उसकी भूख मार दी
I
तुमने,
feel
इतनी
if
बड़ी
she's
प्रॉब्लम।
angry, I feel if she's angry and she's saying I don't want to
प्रॉब्लम
eat,
इतनी
then the
बड़ी
guy
है
should feed
कि
her.
प्रॉब्लम इतनी बड़ी है, मुद्दा इतना बड़ा है कि लड़की बोल रही मुझे खाना नहीं खाना, तो फिर खाना जरूरी नहीं, प्रॉब्लम जरूरी है। उसके बाद मनाने के लिए पहले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, फिर थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक हो गया, फिर वो करो। अगर सीधा शीधा आई एम नॉट हंग्री से
But the guy should feed her.
फटाक लगाओ
I'm not saying you're too
बट
like
also
that.
feed her means
Feed her, not like open your mouth and eat.
मैंने
Yeah,
बहुत प्यार
not
से
like that. Like, please eat. I love you. प्यार से.
So cute. She's like,
बेस्ट थिंग टू डू इज यू कीप ईटिंग योर फूड।
that to kill her from instruction.
तो बट हमेशा
Then
ये-
that
What if
plate
she's
is gonna
hungry
come
and
at
she's
that
देखो
guy.
ये हमने इस अजम्पशन पे गेम खेली है कि हमेशा लड़के की गलती है और लड़की को मनाना है, हाइपोथेटिकली ना। हमने ये गेम उस अजम्पशन पे खेली है। ऐसे हम इंसान नहीं है, नहीं हम इंसान नहीं है, हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नहीं होता, हमारा ओपिनियन नहीं होता। अगर उसको भूख नहीं लगी तो ठीक है यार, मुझे भी भूख लगी है, मैं खा लूंगा। वो डाइट में होगी, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? बहुत रीजन होते हैं भूख नहीं लगने
Sounded
के,
like
बाहर खाना खा के आएगी, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मुझे भूख लगी, मैं खाऊंगा और उसके सामने खाऊंगा।
Okay.